Hi, it's Richard at TTS Performance. As you guys know, we do a great supercharger kit for the Harley Davidson Milwaukee 8 engines. This is a kit on this great breakout, 220 horsepower. To keep this horsepower going to the back wheels, you've got to change the compensator and the clutch to upgraded parts, and we make those upgraded parts. On the compensator on the end of the crank, these standard parts are what are fitted, and we find that the compensator ramp breaks here, and it all falls apart, makes a big mess, and it really won't take much more than 140 horsepower. So whether you're supercharged or just stage 2 or 3 or 4, Screaming Eagle tune or any of the zippers or fueling big bore kits and high horsepower motors, then this part is going to break. So we replace this cheap cast piece with a top quality EN36B case hardened ramp. These are pretty well indestructible. And the beauty of staying with Harley's parts is that you get a lot of damping. There's stuff out there that won't break, but it won't give you the element of damping that the factory compensator gives. There is a lot of give in the drive on one of these. This rotates through a big angle, and that's essential for keeping the drivetrain, your gearbox, your rear belt. If you don't have a decent amount of give in this system, then everything else takes a pounding as well. So we think it's well worth just going for this part and keeping the damping and keeping everything together. This part is pretty well indestructible, but the next part that goes is the standard clutch basket. It's a cast aluminium piece. We replace that with our AIRCRAFT-SPEC aluminium billet clutch basket, which is designed to be stronger and take all the pounding you can throw at it. So with the two parts, you're making your drivetrain pretty well bulletproof, and you need an awful lot of horsepower to do any damage.